Okay, so I just came across this framework called Genkit for building AI apps, and wow, the simplicity they offer is mind-blowing.
Right? The idea that you can just plug in AI features with familiar code patterns makes it so accessible.
Exactly, like it takes the heavy lifting out of integrating AI. I mean, usually it feels like a steep learning curve, right?
Totally. But with Genkit, the integration feels almost, well, seamless. It's like they've made AI feel almost like a plug-and-play scenario.
That's wild. Imagine how many developers might finally take the plunge into AI because of this.
Oh, for sure. And they also focus on observability, so you get insights while you're building. That's kind of revolutionary.
Right, you can see how your models are performing in real time. That gives total peace of mind.
And evaluating features throughout the development process. It's like you're constantly fine-tuning your AI.
I'm picturing the possibilities. What if a small startup can now compete with giants just by leveraging Genkit?
Absolutely. It's empowering for those with great ideas but limited resources. AI could become mainstream for smaller teams.
And think about this. If they're able to innovate faster, we could see a whole wave of new applications emerging.
Exactly. It feels like opening a door to a new world of creativity and problem-solving, doesn't it?
For sure. Also, the fact that they're open source adds a layer of community involvement that's really cool.
That's huge. The community can contribute, share improvements, and really elevate it together.
So let me wrap my head around this. Developers not only have tools, but also community support. Wow.
Yeah, and here's the kicker. This could spark collaboration across industries, merging different tech ideas seamlessly.
Wait, hold up. That means we might see more interdisciplinary projects like art and tech together without barriers?
Exactly. It could lead to really unique creations that wouldn't happen otherwise, pushing limits.
This conversation is blowing my mind. Just thinking about the implications here is incredible.
And it makes you wonder what we've been missing until now, right? So many unexplored opportunities.
Yup. And the fact that anyone can dive into this without needing a PhD in machine learning? That's game-changing.
So true, it democratizes AI development. We could see a wider variety of AI applications in everyday life.
Oh, and what about personal tools? Imagine if even solo developers can build their apps with AI features.
So empowering. That could mean a whole new class of apps tailored to specific niches we never knew existed.
I never thought about it that way. It's like giving everyone a chance to innovate, not just the big players.
Exactly. And who knows, one of those solo projects could become the next big thing.
That gives me chills. It's like we're at the dawn of a new era in tech development.
And all it takes is a framework that feels approachable, right? Genkit is already shaking things up.
Seriously, it's like they've taken the gatekeeper role away from traditional tech.
That changes everything. So many more voices can join the conversation.
Okay, let's think bigger. What if this leads to more ethical AI by diversifying the development pool?
Now that's really interesting because diverse teams can tackle bias and ethics more holistically.
So the technology evolves with a broader perspective. Wow.
It's like the ripple effect. One change leads to another, creating waves of innovation.
I can see it now. Inspiring networks emerging, sharing knowledge, collaborating on projects.
And if Genkit supports that ecosystem, we could witness a tech revolution live.
But wait until you hear what happens next. The potential for community-led events and hackathons.
Oh, totally. Inviting anyone to innovate together could become the norm.
That's the piece I was missing. Creating that community could amplify creativity.
Exactly. So if we put all this together, it could mean lesser-known innovators shining bright.
This is such a good example of how accessibility in tech can disrupt the whole industry.
And it leaves us asking, what incredible ideas are just around the corner, waiting for this opportunity?
That's a thought worth pondering. I can't wait to see what comes next.